everyone, I just like to show you how I've done this hairstyle. It takes no time to do and it's for fine hair. First, all I've done is just prep the hair with my GHD, just give it a few curls to it like this, and then I just take some section off the front of the face just to frame it for later. Then I've done like a bungee, pin two clear elastic band together and then just pin it together like a ponytail, just wrap it wrong. Then I have something looking like this. Then I spray the crown of the hair, pinch and pull that out just to give it more volume, entirely up to you if you want to do that. Then I split the ponytail into half, smooth that out a little bit and then just twist it around. Then tuck my hand under and then lap it over the ponytail on the right side and then just pin it with some bobby pin. You use as much as you need. Then on the left side a little bit just to secure it, I put another bobby pin. Tuck it under a little bit and there you have it. Then the bottom ponytail I've sprayed with some texture spray, just smooth it out with my tail comb. And then all I've done, I wrap it around on the right side, then tuck my finger under and then bring that over from the right over to the left like this, and then pin some more bobby pin to it, nice and secure. Then the tuck away I have, I just wrap it over, that's just the tail end, and then pin that away. Then spray with some texture spray, pinch and pull it out. It's entirely up to you though if you want to do that, just to give it more volume. Then when I've done it, undo the right side, take a little bit off to frame the face and then just twist it around and bring it over, pin that away with some more bobby pin, and then I repeat the same thing on the left section. Like this, pin that away, and then the little bit that I've got, I just use the bobby pin, tuck it in and then just tuck it under. And this is the finished look. I use a little bit of hairspray to it. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. Thank you so much for watching my video.